You're here because you want to learn how to professionally mix and master your own productions using only Ableton stock plugins. Together, let's dive into the tools and terminology behind mixing and mastering. Plus a quick look into the essential plugins and what they do. First of all, one of the most important things is EQ. Now, EQ is used to remove frequencies we don't like in a track or individual stems, or we can use it to enhance parts of a sound that we like and want to be more prominent. Compression. Compression is used to control the dynamic range of a certain sound or overall master. What we want to do is take those large, loud peaks and control them and squash them into the rest of the record or the rest of the sound. Multiband compression. Now, multiband compression works a little bit between the compressor and the EQ. What it does is allow us to control the dynamic range of certain frequencies across the spectrum. Limiting. Now, limiting is a kind of extreme measure of compression. Compression, we use different ratios to create a different amount of compression, whereas limiting is a hard ratio which basically clamps a sound in and doesn't let it past a certain volume or threshold. Clipping, very similar to limiting, apart from it cuts the tops off sounds. Saturation. Saturation is used as a tone control, adding extra harmonics to sounds that already exist. Mid-and-side or stereo. Now, this is used to expand the width of a record or narrow it down depending on what the context is.